That is a topic for students. Now, I would like to talk especially about the progress and achievement of my young students. My dear friends, I agree that you all people are trying to learn, but here I would like to give you a piece of advice that please stop learning. First learn how to learn. This is a way of practice and working of your mind, of your brain. So first learn how does it work. Here, for example, the pattern of memory, it is the concept which is quite common by the people, that same like in cupboard we are putting some sort of our books into their its shelves. Similarly, we are thinking that we are putting all these things in our memory as well. As we are putting, and what is going down, it is going down as well. No, it is not happening. We have a cyclical sort of pattern of memory. It's a cycle, that it is a starting point, for example, and it is your ending point of learning. Whatever you are trying to learn, we have a cyclical pattern, okay? But here, before starting this, I would like to tell you people that please try to adopt it. What is learned in the beginning, it is in the memory, and what is done in the end of a steady period, it is in the memory. So what is happening, that whatever you are trying to learn, the words, you can make a practice at your home. Write down some sort of words, especially for memorizing, okay? A simple sort of words, try to memorize, and you will find out, for example, when you will write down after you're learning, after you're memorizing the word, learn by heart, then you will be able to memorize these words which are repeated in your study session, which are prominent, which are co-associated, which are some sort of common use of things. It can be learned easily by your pattern of memory. Here you need to adopt it. Whatever you are going to learn, you should learn by some sort of references and repeating these words sometime more than 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times as well, and then you will be able, and it is quite easy, then correlate them with reference. For example, whatever you are trying to learn, relate them. When you will make some sort of reference, some sort of relation over there, then your memory will be able to capture it. Here, what we are doing, we are trying to memorize the things at once. It can never be way, because we have different pattern of memory is same, but different nature people. That someone can learn in isolation, someone can study even by repeating, some with music, some other things over there. Nature is something different, but pattern is same one. So you need to memorize the words, whatever you are learning, with your own interest and energy. It is this world belongs to energetic people only. Till then you are energetic, you are learning. If you are feeling some laziness, some idleness as well, then learning process will automatically stop. I will request my all students, whatever you want to learn, then please try to be energetic. Don't sit in a comfortable environment, like laying down on the bed, and no. Always try to be very much energetic and stable while you're sitting on your chair and table as well, no problem at all, but with energy. And what is happening, within a few minutes we are losing our energy. So please collect your energy with some sort of practices over there. This is a very good exercise. While sitting on your chair, you can make this one, and similarly this sort of practice will give you energy as well, and re-energize yourself with this sort of exercises. This is a very simple one, and make this one and then continue your study. If you feel any sort of boringness over there and idleness, please don't continue this study. So it's a very initial lesson over there, and I'm going to talk more about especially the pattern of memory. So how can you, what sort of strategy should be adopted by making some sort of steady period. So I will talk in my next video. Thank you.